Hello, everyone. My name is Tarun, and I welcome you to Turning Point IELTS Academy. So, guys, the module which we will take you through today is the task 2 for advantages and disadvantages questions. So, by the end of this module, you will be able to, first of all, identify that what kind of topics are qualifying for the format of advantages and disadvantages. You'll come to know that there are two different type of questions, and we will see the format of the first question type. So guys, how to identify a question of advantages and disadvantages? They will be something like this. Modern shopping malls provide a lot of convenience to the customers, but small markets have their own importance. Do the advantages of shopping malls outweigh its disadvantages? So, in this essay, it is asking you for the advantages and disadvantages, and along with that, it asks you for the opinion as well. And in the second type, the first part will be absolutely the same, but it will ask you just the advantages and disadvantages of shopping malls or any other thing for that matter. So in the second type, your opinion is not asked for. So guys, the format of writing both these topics is absolutely different. So first of all, let us see that how we can go ahead and do the first type of the essay. So while writing the total or the complete essay, three things are required. First, we'll have to discuss advantages, then we will have to discuss disadvantages, and at the same time, we have to give the opinion that the advantages overshadow the disadvantages or not. So guys, most of the questions, I have seen that advantages always outweigh the disadvantages, because if something is used, so it is only used because it has some advantages. If the disadvantages are more, then it becomes a problem. Then it will not be usable. Okay, so let us go to the next slide. So while writing the introduction, first of all, we will paraphrase the question. So let us see what the question is. Modern shopping malls provide a lot of convenience to the customers, but small markets have their own importance. So we will paraphrase this part of the question, and then we need to state the opinion, and we need to outline the main ideas. So guys, first of all, before we start writing the opinion or before we outline the main ideas, we need to decide the opinion, that which side is stronger and which can be agreed with. And it is not that the number of advantages or the number of disadvantages will decide the opinion. It will be the strongness or the strength of the advantages or disadvantages which will decide the opinion. So what can be the advantages of the shopping mall? The first advantage is that a lot of variety is available under the same roof. So suppose if a person has to purchase a pair of shoes, he will not have to go from one place to the other to explore the shoes of different brands. All the brands will be available at the same place, so it becomes very easy to explore the variety and then make your decision. The second advantage can be that it has a dedicated parking facility. So there will be a peace of mind for the customers who go to the shopping mall that their vehicles are absolutely safe. And the third thing is that the shopping malls most of the times are indoors and they are independent of the external climate or the traffic situations. So these are the three advantages. Guys, we are just supposed to analyze the advantages. We will not include all three of them. We will pick one of them and we will pick the one which we can explain in a better way. And what can be the disadvantages? The first one is that only expensive or branded items are available there. So if a person does not have a lot of purchasing power, then he will not be able to do his shopping from the shopping malls because the shopkeepers cannot afford to sell inexpensive items. And the second disadvantage is that it is not approachable from every nook and corner of the city. Sometimes people have to travel a lot in order to go to the shopping mall. However, the small markets are usually available almost everywhere. So when we write these things in the rough work, we come to know that it will be very easy for us if we say that the advantages overweigh the disadvantages. So I will pick up the first advantage that a lot of variety is available under the same roof, and I'll pick up the first disadvantage that only expensive or branded items are available in shopping malls. So let us see that how we can go ahead. So the introduction will be, first of all, I have rephrased the observation. Despite of small markets having their own significance, modern shopping malls offer numerous facilities to the customers. Then we will be writing our opinion. So we say, in my opinion, although the products sold at shopping malls are a bit expensive, the benefit of all the items available under the same roof far outweighs any drawback. So what we did is we said, although there is one disadvantage, yet looking at the advantage, I feel that the benefits are more than the drawbacks. Although the products sold at shopping malls are a bit expensive, the benefit of all the items available under the same roof far outweighs any drawback. So in this, I've given my opinion, and at the same time, I have outlined the two main things that will be discussed in the essay. So first of all, we'll see that how we can write body paragraph 1, and this will be the stronger side. That means first we will explain the advantage. So first we will be writing the topic sentence. Topic sentence will be that the main advantage of doing shopping from shopping malls is that all the variety is available at the same place. And then I will elaborate the idea. So guys, when I'll be elaborating the idea, I will ask some questions to myself, or I will ask some questions to this topic sentence, and the answers which I will get is the elaboration of your body paragraph 1. So we'll say that if all the items are available at the same place, how it is going to affect the customer. So the answer which I get is that the customers will not have to drive from one showroom to the other and park your cars every time at a different place just to take a look at the shoes of a different brand. But if they go in the mall, all the brands or all the showrooms are available. You can even keep the items side by side and then compare to make your decision that which brand you are going to purchase. So once we elaborate the idea, then we give an evidence with the help of a survey. So guys, the survey is extremely important to increase the ease of understanding of the examiner. With the help of the survey, I give an evidence that the thing I have explained above is not only my opinion. See, 70% of the customers also think in the same way. So we write the survey and then we reinforce our opinion, or we support our opinion by saying something like this. That is why I firmly believe that purchasing items from a shopping mall is very worthwhile. So instead of writing that it has a lot of advantages, we can say that it is very worthwhile. So in this way, we first elaborate the idea, then we give an evidence with the help of a survey, and at the end, we reinforce that it has a lot of advantages. Now, let us take a look on the weaker side. So we'll say, on the contrary, some people have a different point of view. So guys, this line is very, very important. Let us go to the previous slide. Over here, I said, or I meant that this is my opinion that shopping malls have a lot of advantages. But while writing body paragraph 2, we will show the examiner that this is not my opinion. This is someone else's opinion, and I know that why these people have this kind of an opinion. So we say that on the contrary, some people have a different point of view. They think that shopping malls have more disadvantages. They think like this because only expensive items are available in the shopping malls. So this is your topic sentence, and then you need to elaborate the idea that why only expensive items are available in the shopping mall. So I will write the topic sentence and then I will ask the question why. So the answer which I will get is that the shopkeepers, they have a lot of expenses if they want to open a shop in the shopping mall, like the maintenance charges, the parking charges, the whole mall is air conditioned. So they have to invest a lot of money. And that is why they cannot afford to sell inexpensive items from their outlet. They will have to sell only branded or expensive items so that they can take care of their expenditure. And it will be a disadvantage for a person who is from a lower class or lower middle class family. But at the end, I will criticize this decision, or I will criticize this thinking by saying that I do not think that it is such a big issue that cannot be dealt with. So while writing body paragraph 1, I said that is why I firmly believe that purchasing items from shopping mall is very worthwhile. And while writing body paragraph 2, I will say, I don't think that it is such a big issue that cannot be solved or dealt with. So guys, this completes the body paragraph 2. And then let us take a look on the conclusion. So we say to end with, I would like to reinstate that. This can be the common line for any kind of an essay. And now I will reiterate my opinion with the reason as well. Variety available at the same place makes shopping mall a wonderful experience. Dominate the supposed disadvantage of only expensive items available in the shopping malls. So in this way, we give our opinion and we support our opinion in each and every paragraph which we make. In this kind of an essay, we have taken care of the task response, we have created coherence and cohesion, we have explained that we have a lot of range on our grammar, and we have used the relevant vocabulary as well. So guys, I want you to please make a note of this particular format, and whenever you get the advantage or disadvantage, that advantages overweigh the disadvantages or not, this is the framework or the format which we are going to use. Thank you.